my dear students. I am your Suma ma'am. In this academic year, I will take 5th standard English subject. This is your English textbook. Before we start the unit, let us know some introductory part about this lesson. Dear students, helping others is a good habit, isn't it? When you help others, they will give, appreciate, blessing, like all the good happen to you, isn't it, dears? Yes, by helping others and you will also get help from others when you are facing any dangerous, isn't it, dears? Yes. If you are having more wealth, you keep how much you want to leave and distribute the balance to the poor people. It makes the poor people helpful to live in the society. Isn't it, dears? Yes. Helping others you makes happy and also you makes very good persons in the society. Okay. In this lesson, you will learn about a story of the village was suffering from plagued by drought and about a girl named Anita who was more helpful to her. Let us discuss. Let us start with picture reading. Look at these pictures. Listen carefully in the page number 4. An old woman, Anita, earthen pot, a friary, a dying dog, silver pot, a half-died cow, golden pot, a dying beggar, rainbow, dark cloudy sky, raining. These are all related to pictures in this first chapter, that is rainbow. Before we start the lesson, I will ask some questions. Okay. What have you seen in the sky? Yes, that is moon, sun, stars. Isn't it, dears? One more question for you. Have you seen any images of the colors on the sky? Yes, that is rainbow. We also called rainbow, that is spectrum. What we are called? That is spectrum. Okay. Now I will start the lesson. Listen carefully. First chapter, the rainbow. All of us have seen the rainbow and its beautiful spectrum. The spectrum of rays gives usual delight. There were many stories related to this rainbow. Here is one such story. Here is one such story of that is rainbow. All of us, have you seen rainbow? Already I asked some questions. You also answer it. Isn't it, dears? Yes, that is what we are called another one name of spectrum. What is the meaning of spectrum? That is images of colors. Images of colors is 7 colors. Okay. The spectrum of rays gives usual delight. What that is usual delight for us. You know, children, you seen in the sky. There were many stories related to this rainbow. Here is one such story. I will explain this story. Listen carefully. Okay, dears? Yes. First stanza. A little girl named Anita lived in a village with her grandmother. Anita lost her parents when she was barely an year old, and her grandmother, who was extremely poor, took up the responsibility of this little girl. I will explain this stanza. Here is a little girl of Anita. She lived in a village with her grandmother. Okay. Anita lost her parents in the childhood. Okay, barely 1 year childhood. She lost her parents. grandmother, who was extremely poor, took up the responsibilities of this little girl. What's the meaning of extremely? That is greatest, ultimate. Okay, extremely means greatest. She is a poor family with her, she lived in a poor family with her grandmother. Okay dears? Yes. Anita did not have any friends or brothers and sisters. She did not have any friends. Okay, you also have more friends, isn't it dears? But here Anita didn't have any friends, sisters and also brothers. Okay, she played with cats and dogs. She is only played with cats and dogs. Pet animals, you know children, cats and pet dogs. These are her friends. She only played with cats and dogs. She talked with her pet parrot to pass away her time. She spent her time only talked with parrot. What is the meaning of parrot? What is the meaning of parrot? Gilly. You know children? Yes. She was very kind to all animals and very friendly towards them. She is a very kindful girl. You know children, Anita is a very kindful and little girl. She spent her time only talked with parrot and played with cats and dogs, isn't it? Yes. She is very kindness girl and friendly towards them. Friendly towards here friends are only cats and dogs and parrots. Have you understand? Yes. Once this village was severely plagued by drought. Once means one ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ that village severely suffering from plagued by drought. What is the meaning of drought? What is the meaning of drought? Drought means shortage of water. Drought means shortage of water. It is in Kannada baragala. Baragala time andre gottide alva? That meaning drought. Okay. Severely suffering from plagued by drought. There were no rains. So there was a great shortage of water. That village, there was no rains, that shortage of water, isn't it dears? Because of plagued by drought. The rivers, lakes and wells all went dry. Dry means vanagida. Villages alli irtakantaha rivers, lakes and also wells all went dry. These were no crops and people started dying. Day by day, people were starting dying. Dying means ಸಾಯೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರು ಈ ಬರಗಾಲದಿಂದ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. To escape this calamity, some people went to these cities together with their animals. That village people escaped to village. Okay, escape to village, one place to another place. They were going to cities. Okay, together their village. But poor people and to stay back in her village. Poor people only stay back her village only. Okay dears, poor people. Who is the poor people here? Anita and his grandmother, and also with her have pet dogs. No, those are all stay back at village. Her grandmother's conditions was very bad and she could not walk to city. She is a old lady. Grandmother means old lady. No, her conditions are very bad. She is not able to walk. Okay. Every day Anita would look up at the sky and pray for the rain to come, but there was not a single grey cloud in the sky. She was very much disappointed. Every day Anita prayed to God. Okay, she would took up the sky and look at the sky and pray for the rain. Rain comes, but there was not a single grey cloud in the sky. That she was very much disappointed. In this situation, she observed she was very disappointed. Okay, disappointed anta helidre nirashegollodu. She is very disappointed. Okay. One day, Anita's grandmother conditions become critical and she said, Anita, my dear child, I am so thirsty. Can you bring some water? Even a few drop of water will satisfy me. One day, Anita's grandmother's conditions become very critical. Okay, she said to Anita, Anita, my dear child, I am so thirsty. Here is a thirsty means ತುಂಬ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ರಸ್ಟಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ವಾಟರ್, ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅನಿತಾಗೆ ಅವರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಈವನ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮೀ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರಾದರೂ ಸಾಕು ನನಗೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮೀ, ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Anita becomes very sad as she knew that there was no water in the nearby wells. She already know that nearby wells is the no water. Okay, all our rivers, lakes, wells are went dry, isn't it? Yes, she is very feel herself only. Okay, but she decided to make an effort. But she is decided to make an effort. Not only simplicity, she is decided to make effort. She took her earthen pot and went in search of water. She took up the earthen pot. What is the meaning of earthen pot? In Kannada meaning mannina madike. Okay. So she took out her earthen pot and went to search of water. She went from well to well. Well means bavi. What is the meaning of well? Bavi. She went to search of well to well in the village but could not find any water. She then walked in the directions of city. She could not find any water in her village. She went directions of the city. Okay dears? Yes. It was a bright sunny day. That day, that is sunny day. Okay, ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿಲಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದಿನವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The sun was at its zenith. What is the meaning of zenith? Zenith means the greatest power. Okay, sun was going upside. That is what we are called ತುತ್ತ ತುದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ in Kannada. ತುತ್ತ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಡೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is sunny day. It was quite hot after noon and there was no shade as all the leaves of the trees had died. Anita walked and walked but she could not find water anywhere. She walked by walk, she could not find anywhere water. Okay dears? All along the road Anita could see dying men, women, children and animals. She saw on the road some dying man and women, children and also animals. She saw, okay, in front of, she saw on the road. Okay dears? Yes. Anita was no tired that she could hardly walk. She is not tired but she continues her walk. Her body was demanding rest. Okay, that day was sunny day, isn't it dears? But her body demanding rest. So she selected a big shady tree. What is the meaning of shady? Neredu. Okay, big shady tree and sat under it. She will sat under the big shady tree. She went to sleep in no time. A kind fairy saw Anita and filled her earthen pot with water. She went sleep in no time but Anita, a kind fairy. What is the meaning of fairy? ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ಪನಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇವತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is fairy. Okay, a fairy saw Anita and filled her earthen pot. What is the meaning of earthen pot? Already I told. Earthen pot, it is ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಿಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ full of water, ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು, ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು. She was over enjoyed at this. She saw the earthen pot full of water. She was very enjoyed herself only. Okay. She carried the pot and started walking quickly towards her village. Then she carried her earthen pot very quickly. She walked very quickly towards her village. Isn't it dears? Yes. Dear students, I will stop this lesson. I will continue remaining part in the next class. Hope you all understood. Thank you.